Hi there friends, today we are going to sublimate this outfit. I'll show you how I do it. So I'm going to be using my A to C. My temperature is at 390. It can go from 385. I usually set it up at 385, and depending on the room, that's how the temperature is going to be. So I have my mouse pad. I have a sheet underneath. I just want to protect my heat plate. I'm going to hit apply for like 2 seconds. This is the design that I'm going to be using. The change that I made in the other one, I have grass. Right now I have some leaves. So we are going to set our design, and I'm going to set it up what I want it to be. I'm going to use thermal tape to secure it. I'm going to flip it around. And we're ready to hit apply. Make sure you put butcher's or craft paper on top because you don't want it to stain your heat press. So we are going to hit apply for 45 seconds. And the pressure is going to be light to medium. And this is the final result. And I love it. It's perfect. The colors are beautiful. This is the other one. You can compare. Like, I think the one with the leaves looks a little bit better. So these mats are going to be available at in my Etsy shop or on my website if you would like to purchase them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.